Today, we're going to learn how to pronounce a sound. To produce this sound, open your mouth a little, relax your lips and put them in a neutral position. Then, put your tongue low and between the middle and the back of your mouth. Okay, let's try make this sound together and make sure your tongue and lips relax as much as possible. Ah. 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 Okay, good job. Now, let's practice this sound in some words. Butter, stuff, undo, sometimes, money, fun, come, young, bus, couple, blood, cup, company. Now, say these sentences. The sun is up in the sky. I love ducks. A duck comes into a pub. I just done my homework today. I understand what you feel. Good job, guys. So, this is for me. Thank you for watching and bye.
A sound. I will explain how to pronounce a sound. The corners of the lips come in a little, so the lips flare away from the face. Follow me. A. Once again. Good job. There is two types for a sound. One, unstressed, like words goodbye, goodbye. Follow me. Goodbye. Good job. Stressed. A. Follow me. A. Took. Words. Examples. Follow me. About. Barrel. Barrel. Sugar. Echo. Good job. Now, let's put in a sentences. I am talking about my cat. Put that in my barrel. She is cute. She is cute. That's called echo. Good job.
In this American English pronunciation video, we're going to learn how to pronounce the schwa vowel sound. This vowel is always unstressed. The mouth position is a lot like the us in butter vowel. But that vowel can be unusually stressed. But just like that vowel, everything in your lips, jaw, and neck should be relaxed for this sound. Just slightly drop your jaw to make this sound. The trick is to keep everything else relaxed. Let's look at the vowel up close and in slow motion. It's possible to make this sound on its own with just the slightest jaw drop. But in actual words, you will likely see a bit more jaw drop, like here, on the word sofa. Lips relaxed, cheeks relaxed, tongue forward and relaxed. As I said, this vowel can only be in an unstressed syllable. All other vowel and diphthong sounds can either be stressed or unstressed. So the schwa will always be really fast and low in pitch. Sofa, ability. The schwa goes with the syllable consonants L, M, N, and R. That means when you have a syllable with a schwa followed by one of these consonants, you don't need to make the schwa. It gets absorbed by the next sound. For example, the word father, there. Just go from the sound right into the R sound without trying to make a spread schwa. Father, there. The schwa always unstressed. Sofa, ability. Example words. Repeat with me. Allow, extra, data, gain, visit, about. I hope this video helps you understand.